Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like you're aging faster than you should? Just last month, a 67-year-old man named Robert went to his doctor complaining of constant fatigue, aching joints, and a mind that felt foggy. He was shocked to learn that one daily habit he'd been doing for years was making his body age as if he were a decade older. The truth is, after 65, the choices you make every day can either keep you vibrant and youthful or speed up the aging process in ways you never imagined. There's one habit in particular that doctors warn is silently stealing years from seniors' lives, and it's something most of us do without a second thought. In this video, we're diving deep into this one daily habit that can make you age 10 years faster after 65, and more importantly, how you can break it to stay strong, sharp, and full of life. This isn't just a guess. It's backed by research and patterns observed in older adults who either thrive or decline in their later years. We'll also share 6 powerful ways to replace this habit with routines that slow aging and boost your health. Some of these might surprise you, and others might be easier to adopt than you think. Stay with me until the end, because the last one is something almost everyone overlooks, and it could be the key to turning back the clock on aging. By the time this video is over, you'll know exactly what to stop doing and how to start living younger every day. Let's get started. The habit we're talking about is sitting for too long every day. You might think sitting is harmless. Maybe you're relaxing with a book, watching TV, or scrolling through your phone. But after 65, spending hours sitting without moving is like pressing the fast-forward button on aging. Studies show that prolonged sitting increases the risk of heart disease, weakens muscles, stiffens joints, and even accelerates cognitive decline, making your body and mind feel 10 years older than they are. Sitting for more than 6 hours a day can cut years off your life. And it's not just about being lazy. It's about how your body responds to inactivity. When you sit for long stretches, blood flow slows, muscles atrophy, and inflammation rises, all of which speed up aging at a cellular level. Think about someone like Margaret, a 68-year-old who loved her daily routine of watching morning talk shows and afternoon soaps. She'd sit for hours, barely moving, and over time she noticed her legs felt heavier, her back ached, and she struggled to climb stairs. Her doctor warned that her sedentary lifestyle was aging her body faster than her years. Compare that to her friend Susan, who stays active throughout the day and feels as spry as she did in her 50s. The good news? You can break this habit and replace it with simple, life-changing routines. Let's explore 6 ways to do that, starting with the first one. The first way to replace prolonged sitting is to incorporate short movement breaks every hour. You don't need to run a marathon or hit the gym. Small bursts of activity can work wonders to slow aging. Research shows that standing up, stretching, or walking for just 2 to 5 minutes every hour can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and keep your muscles engaged. This helps your heart pump more efficiently, lowers blood sugar, and even boosts your mood. Picture someone like James, a 70-year-old who used to sit through long meetings without moving. He started setting a timer to stand and stretch every hour, and within weeks he felt more energized and less stiff. Compare that to his friend Henry, who sits for hours at his desk and now struggles with back pain and fatigue. The good news is you can start today. Set a timer on your phone or watch to remind you to move every hour. Try simple movements like marching in place, doing arm circles, or walking to the kitchen for a glass of water. If you're watching TV, stand up during commercial breaks or pace during a show. These small breaks add up, keeping your body younger and stronger. So ask yourself, are you sitting for hours without moving? This quiet change could help you feel 10 years younger. If you're still watching and finding this helpful, please comment number 1 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support helps us keep creating content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. The second way to replace sitting is to start your day with gentle exercise. Older adults who stay active in the morning set a foundation for a youthful body and mind. Whether it's a 10-minute walk, yoga stretches, or light strength training, morning movement wakes up your muscles, boosts metabolism, and improves joint flexibility. Studies show that regular morning exercise can reduce the risk of heart disease, improve balance, and even sharpen memory, all of which slow the aging process. Think about someone like Clara, a 66-year-old who begins each day with a short walk around her neighborhood. She says it clears her mind and keeps her joints loose, making her feel decades younger. Compare that to her friend Barbara, who spends her mornings sitting with coffee and the newspaper, feeling stiffer and more tired as the years go by. The good news? You don't need to overhaul your routine. Start with 5 minutes of stretching or a brisk walk around your block. Use a chair for support if needed, and focus on movements that feel good, like leg swings or shoulder rolls. Over time, you'll notice more energy and less pain. If you're not moving in the morning, don't wait. Try a short routine tomorrow. Are you starting your day with activity? Or could this habit help you age more slowly? This simple step could transform how you feel. If you're finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're still with me. Your engagement means the world to us. Let's keep going. The third way to replace prolonged sitting is to engage in active hobbies. Instead of spending hours on sedentary activities like watching TV or playing card games, older adults who age slowly fill their days with hobbies that keep them moving. Gardening, dancing, or even playing with grandchildren all count as physical activity that strengthens muscles, improves coordination, and reduces stress. Research shows that active hobbies can lower the risk of cognitive decline, boost heart health, and even add years to your life by keeping your body engaged. Consider someone like Robert, a 69-year-old, who took up gardening after retirement. He spends hours tending his plants, which keeps him moving and lifts his spirits. He feels stronger and sharper than ever. Compare that to his friend Susan, who spends her afternoons sitting and knitting, noticing more aches and a slower mind. The good news? You can find an active hobby that suits you. Try something fun like ballroom dancing, birdwatching with a daily walk, or volunteering at a community center. Even light activities like painting while standing or cooking a new recipe count. If your hobbies keep you glued to a chair, don't ignore it. Explore something active today. Are you filling your days with movement? Or could a new hobby slow your aging? This joyful change could keep you vibrant. If you're still here and learning something new, please comment number 3 below to let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It helps us keep bringing you content like this. Now, let's move on. The fourth way to replace sitting is to prioritize standing tasks. Many daily chores, like washing dishes, folding laundry, or cooking, can be done standing instead of sitting, and this small shift can make a big difference in how you age. Standing engages your core and leg muscles, improves posture, and keeps your joints flexible, all of which counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. Studies show that standing for just 30 minutes more each day can reduce the risk of diabetes, improve circulation, and even lower inflammation, helping you stay youthful. Imagine someone like Henry, a 71-year-old who started doing his paperwork at a standing desk and cooking dinner on his feet. He noticed less back pain and more energy throughout the day. Compare that to his friend Margaret, who sits to sort mail or peel vegetables, feeling stiffer and more fatigued over time. The good news? You can make standing a habit without much effort. Set up a high counter for tasks like reading or paying bills, or stand while talking on the phone. If standing feels tiring, start with 10-minute intervals and build up. Use a cushioned mat for comfort and avoid locking your knees. If you're sitting for most tasks, don't delay. Try standing for one chore today. Are you using your daily tasks to stay active? This practical shift could help you age more gracefully. If you're finding these tips helpful, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. Your support keeps us going. Let's move forward. The fifth way to replace prolonged sitting is to practice balance exercises daily. Sitting for hours weakens the muscles and systems that keep you steady, increasing your risk of falls, which can age you by limiting mobility. Balance exercises strengthen your core, improve coordination, and boost confidence, all of which help you stay youthful and independent. Research shows that daily balance training can reduce fall risk by up to 40%. In seniors, keeping you active and injury-free. Think about someone like Susan, a 67-year-old who practices standing on one leg while brushing her teeth and walking heel-to-toe in her hallway. She feels steady and hasn't fallen in years. Compare that to her friend James, who sits most of the day and struggles to stand without wobbling, feeling older than his age. The good news? Balance exercises are simple and quick. Try standing on one foot for 10 seconds, holding onto a chair for support, or walking a straight line like a tightrope. Do these for 5 minutes a day, and you'll notice better stability. Tai Chi or yoga classes are also great options. If you're not working on your balance, don't wait. Start with a small exercise now. Are you keeping your balance strong, or could this habit prevent premature aging? This easy routine could protect your independence. If you're still with me and finding this valuable, please comment number 5 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Your support means everything. Now, let's talk about the 6th way. It's one most people overlook, and it could be a game changer for slowing aging. The 6th way to replace prolonged sitting is to stay socially active with movement. Older adults who age slowly don't just connect with others. They do it in ways that keep them moving, like walking with friends, joining a dance group, or playing games like bocce or pickleball. Social activities that involve physical activity boost your heart health, strengthen muscles, and reduce stress, all while keeping your brain sharp. Studies show that socially active seniors who move regularly have a lower risk of depression, dementia, and heart disease, helping them feel and look younger. Picture someone like Barbara, a 72-year-old who joins her neighbors for a weekly walking club. She laughs, chats, and stays active, feeling as vibrant as she did a decade ago. Compare that to her friend Clara, who sits alone most days, feeling isolated and noticing more aches and memory lapses. The good news? You can combine socializing with movement easily. Invite a friend for a park stroll, join a community fitness class, or play an active game with family. Even a short walk to visit a neighbor counts. If you're not staying socially active with movement, don't wait. Reach out to someone today. Are you connecting with others while staying active? This powerful habit could help you live younger, longer. If you're still watching and found this tip valuable, please comment number 6 below to let me know you're here. Your engagement helps us keep creating content like this, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's the best way to stay updated with our videos. Now, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. We've uncovered the one daily habit that can make you age 10 years faster after 65, sitting for too long, and 6 powerful ways to replace it. Taking short movement breaks, starting your day with exercise, engaging in active hobbies, prioritizing standing tasks, practicing balance exercises, and staying socially active with movement. These might seem like small changes, but together they can slow aging, keep your body strong, and help you feel vibrant well into your later years. The good news is that you don't have to live with the effects of prolonged sitting. By making these simple shifts, you can protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and maintain your independence. Take a moment to reflect. Are you sitting for hours every day? Or are you already incorporating some of these habits? Maybe you're spending too much time in front of the TV, or you haven't tried a balance exercise yet. Whatever it is, the key is awareness. Once you recognize the problem, you can start changing it. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these habits and try it today. Maybe you'll set a timer to move every hour, take a morning walk, or call a friend for an active outing. Even one small step can put you on the path to aging more slowly. Thank you for joining me today. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are so important to us, and reading your comments gives us the motivation to keep going. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Your support helps us continue creating content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.